going to do Holy City. Count your budget, but don't count God. Count your finances, but don't count God. Count your money, but don't count God. Count your education, but don't count God. Count your skills and your connections, but don't count God. Yaufesa empilweni yethu ngoba kasoze asigele owasifele Calvary. Tshela amadimoni wonke nabathakathi abathathe izinto ney'mpahla zakho bazigqiba bathi asoze wonke uphumelele. Tell the devil I will never toss. The God of heaven, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the Alpha and the Omega, the one who is, the one that is, and the one that is to come. He's worthy of all the praise. Utembegilo tembisa. Yamone forna kulonyaka. Yamona kuisela ukuthathwa isikhonyana kulonyaka. Yamona shene hatasha. Yamona ebuyisela indignity yebandla kulonyaka. Yamona ebuyisela ubungcwele ebandleni kulonyaka. That's why the devil is so fierce. But he's the last king of a dying horse.